If I have cricket ball and crystal, I don't want to use this for my pet because of this following reason. First, I don't want to feed cricket ball for my pet because it is dirty. Second, if my pet could talk, I, I will feel very disgusting and terrible. Finally, if I give crystal for my pet, it is very waste. Thank you for listening.
If I have cricket butter and crystal, I don't want to use this for my pet because of this following reason. First, it is very dirty. Second, it is very disgusting. Third, it is not able to eat. In conclusion, it is very dirty and disgusting and not able to eat. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
I don't want to use this for my pet for following reasons. First, the cricket bottle will be not sanitary because cricket is dirty. I don't want to feed dirty food to my pet. Second, when dogs could talk, they will speak bad words. I don't want my pet saying bad words. Finally, they need to wear clothes, so we need to buy those clothes. I don't want to waste my money. I think dogs will ask for buying clothes. In conclusion, when dogs can eat human food, we need to waste a lot of money. I think dogs will do picky for side dishes. It will be very annoying. Today I talk about if I have cricket butter and crystal. I think it is very creepy. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Vicky, and today I speak about news, cricket butter, and crystal. Please listen carefully. If I have cricket butter and crystal, I don't want to use this for my pet because of this following reason. First, cricket butter is disgusting, and I don't like cricket because cricket looks like creepy. Second, if my pet can speak, I think it will be very noisy, and I like dog and cat sound. Finally, I will sell crystal because crystal looks expensive, and I will sell crystal and I will buy my pet's food. In conclusion, I don't want to use cricket butter and crystal for my pet. Thank you for listening.
If I have cricket ball and egg crystal, I don't want to use for my pet because this offers reason. First, cricket ball is very disgusting because it doesn't taste so good. Second, it is very annoying because many pets will speak to me. Finally, if I use crystal, I will sell because crystal is very expensive. In conclusion, I don't want to use for my pet. Thank you for. If I have a cricket ball and crystal, I will don't use the cricket ball and crystal because of following these reasons. First, if my dog could talk, it will be noisy. It will be noisy, and I will be angry, and my parents will be angry too. And second, if my dog could talk, I will be tired. And finally, if my dog could talk, if my dog say bad word, I will be very, very, very angry. Thank you for listening to my presentation.